Let's take a look at this example. This is nothing else, just the standard sum of the products. Let's prepare first the Karnaugh map for this simplification. Please notice that C represents the most significant bit and A represents the least significant bit. We said that the variable which represents the most significant bit in my expression is going to be placed always on the left side of the Karnaugh map. And the least significant bits are going to be placed at the top of the Karnaugh map. That's why I'm going to write over here C. And anytime I'm going to have 0, this is going to be C naught. Anytime I'm going to have 1, this is going to be C. And at the top, I'm going to write BA. So I have C, BA, C, BA. And I have variables above every single bit. So I have BA, 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 BA. Anytime we have variable above 0, I'm supposed to just write not. I prepared my Karnaugh map for the simplification. Next, I'm supposed to place the ones in the proper cells. I have cell C naught, B naught, A naught. C naught, B naught, A naught. This is this cell. Next, I have C naught, BA. C naught, BA is here. C naught, BA. Next, I have C, B naught, A naught. C, B naught, A naught is over here. And next one we have CBA. CBA. I have 4 ones. Remember, anytime you use 3 variable Karnaugh map, you're supposed to make groups of 1, 2, 4, or 8. Let's take a look how many groups we can create over here. This is one group. And this is the second group. The first group is placed in 2 rows and 1 column. First, you have to check what we have at the side of these 2 rows. At the side, I have C naught and C. We said that anytime we have complements, we simply ignore them. This group is also placed in 1 column. Anytime we have 1 row or 1 column, we're supposed to copy whatever is at the top of the column in this case. So I have simply B naught, A naught. I'm finished with this group. Let's go to the next one. This group again is placed in 2 rows and 1 column. On the side of these 2 rows, I have complements. We said we are going to ignore complements and simply copy everything, whatever is above this column. I have BA or BA. This is the simplified expression. As you probably see, this is nothing else, just the exclusive NOR gate. So this is B exclusive NOR A. If you want to implement it, this is nothing else, just exclusive NOR gate with input B and A. These are the solutions to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. We have C naught, B naught, A. I have C naught, B naught, A. This is my 1. I have C naught, BA. C naught, BA. So I have this one, C naught, BA. Next one, I have C, B naught, A naught. C, B naught, A naught. I have 1 over here. And I have CBA. CBA. Next, we're supposed to group these ones. Remember that for 3 variable Karnaugh map, we can make the groups of 1, 2, 4, or 8 ones. In this case, we have one group. We cannot couple this one with anything else. And we have second group, and we have third group. It doesn't matter from which group you are going to start. So I'm going to start from this one. So I have C, B naught, A naught. C, B naught, A naught, or this group is placed in one row and two columns. Anytime we have group placed in one row, I simply copy down everything whatever is on the side of the row. So I have C naught, and check what is the common variable for these two columns. I have A. That's why I'm going to write A over here. I'm finished with this group. Next, I have third group placed in two rows and one column. At the side of these two rows, I have complements. I ignore complements. And at the top of this column, I have BA. Let's take a look what we can do over here. I'm going to copy down first term. I have C, B naught, A naught. I can factorize from these two terms A. And I'm going to have C naught or B. Let's take a look one more time at the very first term. I'm going to switch the positions of the variables, and I'm going to write A naught, and I have C and B naught, or A and I have C naught or B. Please notice that we have complements over here. I'm going to call this one Q, and this one I'm going to call Q naught. My expression is going to look like this right now. I have A naught Q or A Q naught. This is nothing else, just exclusive OR gate. So I have A exclusive OR Q. Please notice that Q is C and B naught. So instead of Q, I'm going to write C B naught. This is my final expression. Next, we're supposed to implement the final Boolean expression. So I have input A exclusively ORed with the AND gate. And I have input C and B naught. This is nothing else, just the inverter. And output of the AND gate is supposed to be connected to the input of the exclusive OR. And I can say that these are the solutions to my problem.